Introducing the DJI Goggles Racing Edition. If you have a DJI Spark, Mavic, Phantom, or Inspire, you'll be able to see what the camera sees. Woo! With the additional OcuSync camera and transmitter, expand your horizons by installing it on a wide range of vehicles or aircraft. The all-new OcuSync dual-band wireless transmission boasts high-quality digital video with up to 50 millisecond latency. With up to 12 fixed channels available, you can fly or race with your friends without any worry of interference.
Do a barrel roll!
Woohoo!
The built-in DVR records up to 1280 by 960 at 50 frames, 1280 by 720 at 60 frames, and 640 by 480 at 50 frames. The digital camera boasts a 148-degree field of view, with an impressive global shutter sensor which eliminates the JELLO effect. That means you're seeing exactly what you want to see when doing advanced acrobatics. We also included a built-in 5.8 GHz receiver for you analog folks. Put it on anything and go further. DJI Goggles Racing Edition. Camera and transmitter sold separately.